Broadly speaking, cybersecurity is comprised of people, processes, and tools. Our goal today is to provide an overview that would be totally appropriate for cybersecurity professionals, those that are aspiring to be one, enthusiasts, or anyone that just simply wants a better understanding of cybersecurity. In this session, we're going to cover a few key areas. What is cybersecurity? A discussion around the differences between compliance and cybersecurity, a history of cybersecurity, and then where we are today as it relates to cybersecurity.